They say that one man would identify himself as a hardcore autopilot member. He say na him dey design the whole logos wey they see for where autopilots they use, where Simon Ekpa they use for some of the logos when they bring come outside. He don't accuse Simon Ekpa. Oh, he say Simon Ekpa make him leave him brother where they don babu for one corner where they call kidnap. He said this thing don dey happen since im dey keep am, and he don dey try to write and reach out Simon Ekpa for him to release him brother, but end of the day him brother are still that place. My people, the reason why I dey bring this thing here is for record purpose. Many of you go know this person wey dey talk this thing for inside some WhatsApp groups or for other platform or forums wey una dey. Check whether this person wey dey talk this thing una know am very well. If una know am very well, make una try to confront am and know the reason why im dey bring this thing come up. If una no know am well, leave this message, is not for you. My people, let's watch the video and lis ten wetin this man talk for this video concerning Simon Ekpa.
Hello, fellow comrade. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching. This is Biafra Battle Cry. Your fellow cabinet and in the media as well. There is this issue that I've been battling for a very long time now. Only me alone know what I've been facing through, both physically and mentally. So I just wanted that. I think it is time for my voice to be heard, because I cannot die in silence anymore. The reason why I come up to do this audio is because I've been able to exhaust so many efforts in different angle, different dimension, both from the top or to the bottom, and to the appropriate department and top high-ranking officers in this movement. But it's now dawned on me that one cannot beat a child and tell him to shut up, not to cry. So, and the issue I want to bring up here is about the kidnapping of my senior brother by Simon Ekpa. This kidnapping happens September 11, 2023. And it happens that my data or the information that I've been sending to Simon Ekpa concerning the activities of Bubango in my village and local government as a whole, that it has, been used against me. This information is like when any video or picture come across my WhatsApp from my people in village or maybe schoolmates, I will now forward it to Simon, and he will ask me the description and the axis and all that, and I will explain. Before you know it, he published it on Twitter. And it looks as if he has an intelligent person in my village who is giving him all those information. Whereas it's me that is doing it. Even the recent one that I sent on a platform where 247 was asking where exactly, and 55 Vision was asking me to explain. I explained where it happened in my village. And before you know it, someone published it. Anyway, let me not go there. That is not the issue now, but I'm just trying to highlight some certain things. And may I come up to say my position in this movement? I do graphic design. I do some web support in this movement and everything, which there was a time I purchased a domain for Biafra Republic Government in Exile, the abbreviation of it, .org. And I told Simon, and I gave it to him. I forwarded the ownership, everything to him, the key to unlock it and all that. Even this media of a thing, I designed the logo. I was the one that do the finishing touching of the logo, which Sana Rawa gave me, and I finished. Then, what about the article of publication for 2023 achievement, the one they read? I was the one who spent 7 hours with Sonny and was drafting it because I was the secretary to the media as well. These are my positions that I participate in this struggle, and I'm doing it with all my heart, happily, doing it without being a career agitator, and because I want Biafra to come. I love Biafra, doing all this because of the ideology of our leader Onye Dumas and Nandikalo, wholeheartedly. So I spent 7 hours with Sonny online drafting the letter. And because of that, there was I have a shift that day. I canceled it without going to my shift just to complete this letter. And all this while I've been doing this, I've been like doing it with hope that one day someone will answer me about my brother he kidnapped with our men. So now, I do all these things just to make, okay, let's say when his sinking was taking place, I bought a software, 100 and something pounds, to host that, to publish it. I collected a link from the people who are videoing it there, and I was the one who shared the link to all the media personnel, So I spent money. I didn't even ask for anything because, it's part of sacrifice, part of anything. Even when they call for fundraising, I donate. What is it? Biafra Liberation fundraising, I do. Even launching, I contribute. Making sacrifices everywhere. What I did to Simon is what I don't know. He used the information I'm sending him concerning my village when schools are being burnt down and primary or churches or roads are being blocked or trees are being cut down by a bago and block the road. I will send it to him. I will publish it. All these things I'm doing just to create awareness. I didn't know that now the thing is turning against me. So now, what did I do to face this kind of thing by Simon? And since then till now, this is 4 months plus now, I've been contacting someone on a daily basis. Voice message, audio message, everything. I've been sending someone Accu Brankety. What did I do to deserve all this kind of thing? This is so disheartening, so devastating. Which word will I use to just narrate this thing? I don't know. If anybody have a word to narrate it, let me know. And again, it was me that someone used now to test the purpose of data collection. That data collection he collected, it has now used it against me. And after November, he now declared that there will be a general data collection. Well, I'm not going there now, but what I want to say now is I want my brother, either he have my brother, let him release him, or if you don't have him, if you have killed him, then let him give me my brother, let me go and do the traditional way of bury somebody. This my brother I'm talking about is the first fruit of my mother, the person that opened the womb of my mother. Okay? And he has 5 children. That one now is my responsibility. So what am I saying now is that either he provide my brother or he tell us what my brother did. To the extent I go extra, my begging Simon, sending him message, asking him, why must my brother be kept up to this time? Okay, if you are keeping him, maybe you are feeding him, is it the money that we are contributing to give the men on ground to eat? Is it the same money they will be using to feed him? Okay, if you want my money, let me send you money so that you can use it to feed my brother while I'm having hope the day he will come out. Saman Akushienti. Brankety. This is a person that if I send him message, if he doesn't reply, it can't be more than 24 hours, he will reply. But for 4 months now. He never replied. When this thing happened, as I there, Madam Azuka and Gaddafi was with us. Madam Azuka stepped forward immediately through her own capacity to secure my brother. Someone blocked it. Someone blocked it. Gaddafi again stepped up again to do what he can do in his own capacity to secure my brother. Still, someone blocked it. My village people came out and promised the commander to release my brother, that he will have 20 million naira. And the commander said no, that the order is from above. Who is the order from above? Is it not Simon? What have I done to Simon? What I'm saying now, Simon, open on Fiji against my brother, or no Fiji melo, because there's no need. Onwe ifanya for bamme. Iye wepụta ife anwa esi my brother mel iji wee jidie. Ọkwara ni tilie manolu. Then bunyezie mi ka nga mezi omenala, because I cannot wait anymore for all this kind of, barbarian or maybe this kind of callous attitude. I can't take this anymore. Okay? Everybody who wanted this thing, who access to Simon, Boya, Joya, say, or Bezioku. I am available for any interview or for any conference, whichever way. So I am not interested in any holding on of when my brother will be released. He have 5 children. Those 5 children, I mean, do you know the kind of things they will be facing? Plus the wife. That's all I want to say. This is bro to SME Biafra. Please count me off, because he's my dear balon. I cannot be part of this. Honestly, I cannot be part of it. Do you know what it means that na onyenginia we ajife enginia we gakatife ese no kwa diziko kwele no kwa dizie kokko mmadụ tụkwasebe gbaji onye anwụ ụkwụ ara ajụ gị ogini ka ekoshinete gbara nkịtị. Has he become a premeditated act that you've been watching me on a cabinet, instigating the things that you would do on the ground against my family? And up till now, he never giving me any attention to explain what my brother did. Or, in fact, before you go that in, did you contact any cabinet? You didn't. Did you contact any media? You didn't. Even if你 chop down with him, my brother Mel, why didn't you contact me? Ask me, my brother Mel, this thing. You didn't contact me. Everyone know jidele pianwa yazo. Hapo ya kobri ebri nanti. Ke hadisha. But in care, he didn't do. That guy commanded jidele the other day. Si umala ni euro. Mese abare. Gini komene. Obu government car na gafe. That na evidence with government car. And the kind of sacrifice this my brother made. Eh? A Jide family man for more than 4 months. Enwo be any local government chairman ejidere. Enwo be any governor. Iyasukwa, me afozukwa senators or House of Rep or lawmakers, or wherever an innocent person. My brother is a businessman. He's not a hungry man. He's not even a local man. You know, he travel and do his business. He has a tobacco industry. He's driving car. He's not a hungry man. What has this got to do with an innocent person on a village name a business? I don't understand. So, Simon, please respond to this message and talk to your men to release my brother, and let cabinet, whoever that hear this thing, to talk to Simon as soon as possible. And I will appreciate. Thank you very much. This is Biafra Battle Cry. Hello, fellow comrade. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching. This is Biafra Battle Cry. Your fellow cabinet and in the media.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't listen and watch that video, may you drop your own opinion for inside comment section, and also tell me what you think about this voice note that you just listened to. Drop out for inside comment section, and also try to share the video, because here we are here to bring you update of what thing they happen. So the one way if you take, you take, and one way you know if you take, you leave am by the side. So one way you want comment put, you comment put. So drop your comment respectfully. Okay, my wonderful people, we'll quickly see you for the next update. Let's talk in comment section.